I've got Motorola Solutions TLK100 nationwide radio. Today we're going to show you how to use it. Hey, I'm Dustin McKinney, Marketing and Training Manager at Wireless Solutions. I got the TLK100 radio here. Today we're going to show you an overview of the product, give you an idea of the button layout, and show you how to use it. Okay, first let's identify the buttons on our TLK100 radio. I'm going to take it out of the holster. On the top of the radio we have our power button and then our channel button. We're going to toggle it one way or the other, channel plus or channel minus. On the left side of the radio, our push to talk button, volume up and volume down, and then last but certainly not least, our menu button. We're going to use these buttons to navigate through the settings on our radio. All right, first is selecting our talk group. This is going to be done with the channel plus or channel minus. When we press it once, it's going to tell us the channel that we're currently on, and then we'll press it again. It'll move the channel up or down, and you'll see on the display the channel that you're changing to.
Channel 2. Channel 1.
And as you hear, we also have the voice feedback to tell us out loud which channel we're flipping to. Once you get to the channel that you want to talk on, you press and hold the push to talk and talk. Pretty straightforward. Now on your other radios, I'm going to get another radio here in screen. It'll actually tell you who's speaking. So these radios are smart enough to tell you who is talking when you initiate a call. So let's make sure both of these radios are on the same channel.
Channel 1.
Channel 2.
Channel 2.
And channel 2. When I key up here, it's going to tell me on this radio who's speaking. You see my name go there across the screen. All right, next we're going to tap the power button to get a readout of our current diagnostics on the radio. I'll tap and give you a brief summary of what it is.
Battery high.
That one's straightforward.
Fair cellular signal.
Cellular status.
Wi-Fi connection failure.
Wi-Fi status, if any.
Reporting location.
Location status, if any. And lastly, your radio name is going to scroll across the screen. Next will be our menu button. That's the bottom button on the left side of the radio. There's two functions here. There is a short press function and then a press and hold function. By default, these radios come with a menu setting navigation with a short press feature, and then a press and hold is going to pull up your contact list. So I'll show you the short press functions first, and then we'll show you the contact setting. So we just tap it, and it'll function almost identically to tapping the power button. You'll see an LED readout, and it'll give you a voice prompt of what it is. I'll do my best to stay caught up. Any that I don't want to explain, they're probably pretty self-explanatory. All right, so we'll tap it once.
Contacts.
That'll tell you any contacts.
All alert tones on.
That's a way to disable the beeps on the radio.
Brightness level 1.
Self-explanatory.
Voice announcements on.
Self-explanatory, out loud voice prompts.
Scan on.
Scan feature if you're scanning multiple channels.
Location on.
Location, you can toggle that on or off.
Bluetooth off.
Same thing with Bluetooth.
Wi-Fi on.
Same thing with Wi-Fi status, on or off.
Cellular on.
Toggle cell status on or off.
Contacts.
And then it'll cycle back to the contact option. To change any of these settings, if we were to press the volume up or volume down, that's a way to enable or disable any of those features. For example,
contacts. All alert tones on.
If I wanted to turn alert tones off, I would press the minus.
All alert tones off.
And then it would turn all the alert tones off on the radio. All right, and lastly will be the press and hold feature. By default, again, this will pull up your contact list. So if I press and hold this, you won't hear a voice prompt that'll say contacts, but you'll see a contact scroll across the screen. We can change between contacts by either pressing the channel button up or down, or the volume button up or down. This is going to show you the available contacts that are available for you to call out at that given time. It's going to report the radios that are turned on and available. For example, we have Demo 49 available, and that's it, because that's the only other radio turned on. If I were to toggle that, it would just display the different radio. So you toggle to find the contact you want to reach. Once you get to that contact name, you simply press and hold the push to talk button and talk to them, and then you engage in a private call one-to-one from one radio to another. Thank you for watching. We hope this helps you get started with your TLK100 two-way radios. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment below.